welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook WAAKYE without the leaf, without baking soda, and it tastes the same. Tastes amazing. If you're interested to see or to learn how to cook WAAKYE without the leaf and baking soda, please keep watching and feel free to subscribe if you've not subscribed. For some of you who don't know, WAAKYE is a Ghanaian food and it tastes so yummy with the sauce. The first ingredients you're going to need is black beans. Also, you're going to need golden BASMATI rice, 500 grams of golden BASMATI rice. In a clean bowl, I poured 500 grams of the black beans. After that, I add boiled hot water into the beans. Then I'm going to allow it to soak in for 1 hour. You can even leave it longer. The essence of soaking the beans is to reduce the cooking hour when cooking. After 1 hour, this is what the black beans is looking like. It's a bit soft. The next step is to wash the beans twice. I'm going to do that off camera to save time. To cook the black beans, you can cook in a pot like this. I have a boiling water. To that, I'm going to add the black beans. Then cover with the lid. But this takes longer time, so I prefer to cover it with a foil paper if you don't have a pressure cooker. I'm also going to transfer this to a pressure cooker, but I'm just showing you, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can cook the beans like this, but it's going to take 1 hour 30 minutes. But I decided to transfer to a pressure cooker that will cook the beans in 25 minutes. Do you see that? And now it's about 90 to 95% cooked. It is so fast to cook in a pressure cooker. Do you see that? It's soft already. Next, I remove the pot, then place another pot, then transfer the cooked beans into the pot. After that, I added the washed rice. Please wash your rice really well. I did that off camera as well to save time. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding the salt, I'm also going to mix together until it's well combined. After mixing, the next step is to add hot water, boiled hot water into the rice and peas, the WAAKYE. You want the rice to cook because the rice is not cooked. You want to add water until it covers the top of the WAAKYE. Then cover with the lid and allow to cook in a medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm going to stir it and mix it together. Now you can see how it's cooking already, but it's not cooked enough. After stirring, I'm also going to cover it again and allow it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes in a medium heat. Please, if you've not been eating black beans, if you've not incorporated it to your diet, please do so. This is packed. The black beans is packed with health benefit. Do you know it can even lower your blood pressure? So after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what the WAAKYE is looking like. Can you believe that I did not use WAAKYE leaf to cook this? No baking soda, no WAAKYE leaf. And it tastes the same. So tasty. And if you're not Ghanaian, you think this is only for Ghanaian people, try this and you just know that you're missing a lot. I know some of you will say, I'm Nigerian, I don't eat Ghanaian food. It doesn't matter where the food comes from, it's what the food is going to do to your body, the health benefit. So this is the finished product with WAAKYE. You can eat with oxtail sauce, you can eat with WAAKYE sauce, you can even eat this with your Nigerian stew. You can incorporate salad, spaghetti. There's so many ways the black stew to eat your WAAKYE. I hope you've learned how to cook your WAAKYE without the leaf and the baking soda. As I keep saying, if you're Ghanaian, show some love in the comment section. And if you're a Nigerian, you've not eaten this before, as I said before, you're missing a lot. Try it out. It is packed with health benefits. Eating black beans, if you have blood pressure, is going to help lower your blood pressure. It's high in protein, high in fiber. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. Thank you to all my subscribers, the new, the old, those who are joining us. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate all of you. Please leave your comments. thumbs up. If you don't leave your comment, I will know you watch my video. Do not forget to check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. Also, you're going to find the video on how to make the recipe on how to make the oxtail, and it tastes so yummy. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be on the description box, so check that out. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.